Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix vibration is not working on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro and even 14 Plus and how we can fix this. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first one is all about we have to enable or we have to turn on the vibration on your iPhone. So let me do a cross check. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. So if you scroll down over here, you can see there is an option called play haptic in ring mode, play haptics in silent mode. If it is turned on, you will not be receiving any kind of vibrations. So the first one, you have to turn out both these things. This is what you have to do as the first step. So once you turn on the vibrations over here, what you need to do is afterwards you have to cross check whether you are able to receiving any kind of vibration or not. So once you cross check with this one, still the issue is persisting. The next one is all about you have to make sure that the do not disturb mode is turned off on your iPhone. So just go over here. As you can see, this is the do not disturb mode. So right now, if you tap on this one, you can see the do not disturb mode is turned on. So if the do not disturb mode is turned on, you will be having the trouble to receive the vibration. So you have to keep in mind, you have to turn this off. If it is turned on, you have to turn this off. Also keep a habit to cross check it is turned off as well. So once after done with this one, still the issue is persisting. The next one is all about nothing but we have to change or make few changes in the vibration setting, or we have to create a new vibration. For this, we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now scroll down and navigate to sound and haptics. Tap on the ringtone. Now from here, as you can see, by default, the vibration might be on this in most cases, and you can select the respective vibrate which you wanted. For example, accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, rapid, SOS, staccato, symphony. You can set this up. So from this, if this is the default vibration, you can set this to any other, and you can check right now whether you are able to receive the vibration or not. Even after trying with all these things, if still the issue is there, you can try with create a new vibration where you can give the name for a vibration and you can create a one. So in order to create a one, you can just tap like this so that you can create a vibration. So I'm just tapping over here, as you can see. Right now when you tap on this, it is done. So right now I can save this. Okay. So right now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to save this. I can give a name, for example, sample. Let me give the name sample and I'm go for save. Now as you can see, here I have created a vibration which is called sample, and it is a sample one. So instead of using this, you can also try with this and you can check whether you are able to receive the vibration or not. Even after trying with all these things, still the issue is persisting with you. The next one is all about you have to two things. The first one is all about we have to update the OS. So just tap over here in the settings. Now from here we have to go to the general. Now from here we have to go to the software update, and you have to cross check whether you are having any kind of updates or not. Right now I'm having an update, to download this and install. I have to update it. And even after trying with the update, if the issue is still persisting, the last one is all about we have to reset all settings. We have to tap over here in the settings. Now from here we have to go to general. Now from here we have to go over here to the reset, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the reset, and there is an option called reset all settings. When you tap on reset all settings, it will be a complete reset on everything and it will be like a fresh start. After you're done with this one, you can try, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the vibration is not working on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max in this segments. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.